Good day to all. I am Vikneswaran, son of Ilang Murugan. My matrix number 8305-2208-6087-001. Here I like to present about innovation and its importance in our current digital world. The definition of the innovation. The innovation can be defined as a process that involves multiple activities to uncover the new way to do the things. The innovation can be realized with creativity. The innovation apply for management and organization in all levels, sizes, and in operating in all industries to create bigger opportunities and are critical for the survival, economic growth, and success of a company. It helps developing original concepts and is a driver of optimizing operations. There is a several four types of innovation: breakthrough innovation, sustaining innovation, new market innovation, and disruptive innovation. First of all, the breakthrough innovation. There is something new, bold, and way ahead of the next best things. A breakthrough product often combines the functionality of several different products in all into one. From the strategic perspective, breakthrough innovations are usually along the lines of high benefit or differential potential. To build our business around cost leadership, then working on breakthrough innovations may not take much sense unless the breakthrough innovation could enable our customer to drive up sales volume of low cost products. The sustaining innovation. The sustaining ideas have to do with improving the current product by developing generations until the product reaches at the end of its life cycle. The large companies are very good at creating sustaining innovations because their resources, business processes, and cultures are set up in a way to enable sustaining the efforts. The sustaining products are all about milking the breakthrough, the product a benefit, leadership strategy by extending its life cycle as long as it can go. The new market innovation, for applying a current product in a new way and sometimes for even a different segment of customers. It takes to introduce a product into a new market is educating our customers, both current and new, about the other things our product can do. In new markets should be viewed as vast frontiers of unexplored territory where we may prove our solution to be highly valuable. The strategy behind new market innovation can fall on either cost leadership or benefit leadership. In disruptive innovation, the concept was born out to answer the question, why do successful firms fail? And it was essentially the idea that startups are able to gain significant market acceptance for their products through simplifying the user experience, lowering the cost, and reducing the number of features in a product to a degree that allows a large group of consumers to adopt the products. Many companies who have followed this model have been successful, disrupting larger, more established organizations and in turn setting themselves apart as leaders in their respective market. In 11th Malaysia Plan, the final leg in the journey towards realizing Vision 2020 launched in 1991. The reforms, the government's commitment to a vision of growth that is anchored on the prosperity and well-being of its rakyat, guided by the Malaysian National Development Strategy, which is focused on rapid delivering high impact on both the capital and people economics at low cost to the government. A strategic plan that paves the way for Malaysia to deliver the future that rakyat desire and deserves. Based on the theme anchoring growth on people, and a 6 strategic thrust and 6 game changers that will transform ideas into reality and address in concert the goals set out in Vision 2020 so as to catapult Malaysia towards the end state of being an advanced economy and inclusive nation. The 11th plan will focus on strengthening relation capital by improving collaboration among all stakeholders. Innovation will be targeted at both the enterprise and social level instead of previous efforts which focused primarily on national level initiatives. At the enterprise level, initiatives will enhance demand-driven research, improve collaboration between researchers and industries, and encourage private investment. At the societal level, communities will be encouraged to provide input into social service delivery mechanisms, while a social financing model will be developed to assist communities to fund new initiatives. For example, economic growth increases in productivity as the government reduces dependence on inputs from capital and labor. In Agency Inovasi Malaysia, it was created to jump-start wealth creation through knowledge, technology and innovation to stimulate and develop the innovation ecosystem in Malaysia. It's laid down the foundation of innovation that inspire and produce a new generation of innovative entrepreneurs. To facilitate collaborations between government, academic, industry in advancing the consolidation and execution of new ideas in innovation. It has two clear goals that provide foundation for the innovation blueprint, that is to bring about holistic society well-being through the cultivation of the innovation ecosystem, and another is to drive the national innovation agenda to generate new wave wealth. Aims program such as I Think, Genovasi and a partnership with International Baccalaureate are designed to complement ongoing reforms in school to enhance thinking skills among primary and secondary school students, as well as to nurture design-oriented thinking among graduates. The idea is to ensure that the next generation of Malaysians have the skills, qualities and aptitude to thrive in 21st century workplace. Aim to work with the Ministry of Education to foster higher order thinking skills in classrooms and provide teachers with the training they need to help the pupils solve problems, identify opportunities and make effective decisions. The agency will also support the introduction of inquiry-based science education. It's a system that was first developed in France and is founded by the Ministry of Energy, Science, Technology, Environment and Climate Change in October 2008 to promote and champion innovation. Throughout the nationwide initiatives, Malaysians from all walks of life have converged to share and assimilate innovation knowledge and strategic intelligence, to entrust the strengthened relational capital through the fostering a stronger linkage, the collaboration and trust among stakeholders, and the reinforcement of collaboration between government research institutes, institutions of higher learning, the government and industry. Aims to help Malaysia rank within the top 20 developed nations in the world in terms of economic output, societal well-being and innovation and creativity. The vision is to drive innovation and creativity amongst Malaysians, targeting children, youth, women, disabled people, rural community and government organizations. The mission is to develop and promote creative skill in the field of science and technology in academic, industry and society. They organize a wide range of activities in both Peninsula and East Malaysia all year round that provide venues of awareness and ideas to develop grassroots innovations which are then used to improve the lives of communities at the bottom of the pyramid. For example, the innovation walk helps to identify innovators from all strata Malaysian society. As per conclusion, the innovation is important as it shows to investors and customers alike that the company is working hard to remain relevant in the world market and meeting the needs and wants of the people. The 11th plan is significant as it will be the last 5-year plan before Vision 2020 is achieved. An innovative culture begins with accepting that the world really has changed and being open to more changes to come. The culture is a complement to the formal, established rules of doing business. Sustained innovation enterprises embrace right brain skills, creativity, imagination, analogy, and empathy. Members of an organization, internal and external community, often have tremendous insight and ideas that lead into new innovation. Moreover, its open-minded organization often convert of the world ideas into marketable products. The collaboration with outside groups, complementary corporations, universities, government agencies, and think often brings new perspectives and ideas to the innovation process. In organization that can't go flat in management can achieve the same result by empowering workers to act independently. Breakthroughs such as the discovery of penicillin or the powers of microwaves were the results of accidents. An innovative culture begins with the organizational attitude of accepting the world really has changed. Last but not least, the innovation and its technology is cultivating the mindset to learn to see the world in multiple different of dimension and create the new ways for coming generation. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.